Mountain.
Oh, hey there. Commodore Jordan Owen here, out at the homestead enjoying another great northern Michigan weekend. Got big plans for March, so come on along. Oh, hey, there you are. Hey, we're high above the Manitou Passage. Right up there, 6 months from now, we'll be on our way to Mackinac, but right now it's frozen over. I spend my weekends out here in Glen Arbor teaching kids the joy of winter sports.
Oh, we're having a great time, hon. We're having a great time.
But on Sunday, March 1st, we're headed out to Shanty Creek for the Yacht Club Ski Rally and Slopeside Tailgate. Gonna put up a little tent, gonna bring out a grill, fire her up, do some brats, do some hot dogs. It's gonna be bring your own beverages, but bring something for the table too. Now, don't buy your lift tickets at the window at Shanty Creek. Buy them online. Go to gtyc.org/ski, and there'll be links to half-price tickets at a couple different spots. So, fire up the family, load up the skis, load up the snowboard or the tele gear, head out on Sunday. We'll be running from about 10 to 4, and we'll see you at the club, and hopefully we'll see you on the hill. Cheers!
Sugarloaf Mountain, Sun Valley Stowe. Not one bartender I don't owe a nickel or a dime.